Hello everybody, thank you for clicking in. Today we are dealing with a Ford Ranger with a 2.3 liter EcoBoost engine that has a bucking, hesitation, feels like random multiple cylinder misfire. This video is just pretty much showing the location of the DPFE sensor. I'm going to show you where it's at real quick so that you want, if you don't want to watch the rest of the video, you can see it real fast so we can make people happy. This 2019 Ranger has, like I say, this goes to maybe some of the up and down of the years of this. Excuse my glaring light, but real quickly, let me get that out of here the best I can. I got it down in there. Okay, this is it right here. My flashlight's a lot better for this. I got my light on it right here. It's on the side of the intake. See the flashlight right there? Got two hoses that come off. I've already removed the plug-in that's right there, but that's where it's at relative to the hood. Let me show you what the sensor looks like in the box. This is it right here. This is the DPFE sensor, and this is a feedback pressure sensor for the EGR valve. What happens, and what I think is happening, is it's faulty and causing it to engage the EGR valve way too much. Like I say, it's right there. It's got two hoses that go down to the tube that goes from the intake to the EGR valve. Actually, it reads exhaust pressure. And so the EGR valve is over here to the left, right there. And it's got a plug-in on it right there. I don't think that's the problem. We're going to try this. And like I say, it's got some codes related to pressure sensor, and it's got a bucking that at part throttle and at 30 miles per hour to 50 miles per hour. And we'll swap it out and see what happens. So real quickly, we've got the scan tools hooked up, and I'll show you the codes that were related to this EGR issue. And like I say, the bucking or the hesitation in the throttle. Read codes, continuous codes, and ignition is on. It's on. Let's do this thing. Let's roll with it. Come on, scan 2. You can see right here, exhaust gas sensor hoses reversed, like it's, or the downstream hose are plugged off. It just keeps relating to this pressure feedback sensor, hopefully. So we're going to clear the codes, then we're going to take it for a test drive. So just real quick to let you know, that did repair that vehicle. The jerking and the hesitation between off idle, 30 and 50 miles per hour, completely repaired. Runs like brand new. So we'll call that a success story. You got to see those codes and the description of what was going on. Thank goodness this wasn't a too involved repair. So thank you for watching. Please always don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and share this stuff out to make this channel grow. See you later, guys.